In this video, I am going to guide you about managing car availability on the Turo app. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Turo app and log into your account. 2. Navigate to your car listing and tap on Manage Availability. 3. Access the calendar and select the dates when your car will be available for rent. 4. Mark unavailable dates by blocking them out on the calendar. 5. Adjust the rental duration settings including minimum and maximum days. 6. Set custom hours for pickup and return if needed. 7. Review the calendar to ensure the correct availability is set. 8. Save your settings to update the car's availability. Properly managing your car's availability helps prevent booking conflicts and keeps your schedule flexible.